Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A54s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now, as you can see that in our on our lock and home screen we have the same wallpapers. Just to change it, you should go here into the settings application and then click here to the personalizations. Then here you'll see the wallpaper section. Click here, and now here we have the photos section. So here we can select our device previously taken photo on our device camera, or just download it, for example, from the internet. And here we have the folder with our device default phone wallpaper, so we can select one from them, for example this one. Click here to apply, and we want to set this wallpaper on the lock screen. So click here to lock screen, wait a second, and now you can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.